Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Hey You Positive One. Today we are diving into the story of a man who turned his struggle into strength and his dreams into destiny. That is Rishabh Shetty. From walking barefoot to school in a small coastal village to creating one of the most celebrated films in Indian cinema, his journey is living proof that if you stay rooted, no storm can shake you. If you love hearing real life stories that inspire, motivate, and reminds us of the power of never give up, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel Hey You Positive One. Your support means the world to me. Rishabh Shetty was born in a humble family in a small village near Kundapura in coastal Karnataka. His childhood was simple, no luxuries, no spotlight, but rich with culture, devotion, and hard work. As a child, he was deeply fascinated by Yakshagana, a traditional folk art form of coastal Karnataka. The colors, the music, the storytelling, it left a deep impression on his young mind. Rishabh's parents always emphasized education and values. Even though life was financially challenging, they never stopped him from dreaming big. After completing his schooling, he pursued a degree in BCom from Vijaya College, Bengaluru. But his art always was in cinema. When Rishabh moved to Bengaluru, life wasn't kind. He didn't have connections in film industry or financial backing. He took up small jobs to survive, from working as a clerk to even doing minor gigs while trying to find a way into films. He started by working behind the camera, learning the craft of filmmaking. He worked as an assistant director and later into various small projects. It was a phase filled with long days, endless waiting, and little recognition. But instead of complaining, he learned. Every setback became a lesson, every rejection made him more determined. He knew one thing for sure: talent can be ignored, but perseverance cannot be stopped forever. Rishabh made his acting debut with a small role in the film Tughlaq in 2012. Though the role was short, it was a start, a sign that his persistence was paying off. But what truly brought him recognition was his directorial debut in Ricky in 2016, a film that reflected his storytelling depth and courage to experiment. Then came Kirik Party, a turning point not just for him but for Kannada cinema itself. A film became a massive hit, charming both youth and families. It showed that Rishabh wasn't just a director, he was a storyteller who understood emotions. After the success of Kirik Party, Rishabh Shetty continued to explore stories that reflected real life emotions and rural life. One of his remarkable projects during this phase was Sarkari Hiriya Prathamika Shale. The film focused on the life and struggles of a government school and the children studying there. It beautifully captured the innocence, curiosity, and challenges faced in rural schools. Rishabh just didn't act or direct. He poured his heart into every frame, showing his deep connections to the stories and his ability to make the ordinary feel extraordinary. This project further strengthened his identity as a storyteller who doesn't just entertain but also touches hearts and provokes thought. After these early milestones, Rishabh could have taken easy route, big budgets, commercial scripts, but he chose something deeper. He wanted to tell a story rooted in his land, his people, and his faith. That's how Kantara was born. He wrote, he directed, and he acted in it, taking on triple responsibility. Many warned him it was too risky, but he followed his heart. Kantara was not just a movie, it was a reflection of divine energy, belief, and the power of roots. Every sound, every frame, every emotion in Kantara carried a soul of coastal Karnataka. And when it released, it wasn't just a hit, it was a history. The film broke barriers, united audiences across languages, and made Rishabh Shetty a national sensation. Seeing the immense love and curiosity for this universe, Rishabh decided to expand it even further, creating a prequel under the same name, Kantara Chapter 1, exploring the roots of the legend and the untold stories that shaped the events of the first film. This move wasn't just ambitious, it was a statement. A great stories grow when they come from authenticity, passion, and respect for roots. Despite achieving massive fame, Rishabh never forgot his roots. He often visits his village temples, remains closely connected to his people. He believes that the real strength of an artist lies in staying humble, because the moment you forgot where you come from, you lose who you are. Rishabh Shetty's story teaches us that success doesn't happen overnight. It's built brick by brick through faith, patience, and relentless effort. He turned his failure into stepping stones and his root into his identity. He didn't chase fame, he chased purpose, and that all made the difference. So, when life throws challenges your way, remember Rishabh Shetty, the man who started with nothing but a dream and created something that will be remembered for generations. He showed us that you don't need to born into privilege, you just need to born with courage. If you're struggling today, wondering whether your dreams are worth it, remember this. Greatness isn't built in comfort, it's built in silence, in hard work, and in moments when no one is watching. Rishabh Shetty's journey is living proof that when you stay true to your art, the world will eventually notice. So keep believing, keep creating, and never forget your roots. Thank you for watching. Once again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hey You Positive One.